how you can add a photo to your Canva resume. Now, before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let us begin our video. Now just go ahead and search for Canva resume, choose any resume that you want. And after you do that, just open one up and you will see this right here. Just remove the photo that is already in this. And what you'll need to do is go to uploads. And after you go to uploads, just select the photo. Now make sure that you select a really good photo. And after you select the photo, just drag it and drop it there. Now Canva will automatically set it to its best. And you can add a photo to your uploads by just dragging them and dropping them right here. And you can just again drag this and drop it right here. So it's that simple, guys. Now you can change the frame too. If you want to change the frame, you can just go to the elements and search for frames, right? And after you search for frames, just hit enter, and there you will see a lot of frames in which you want your photo in. So you can use a square, you can use a square with no edges, you can use your squares, you can use circles, you can use your a different type of squares, rectangle, or so much more. But to keep it simple, just use a square or a circle. So it's that simple, guys. That is how you add a photo on your Canva resume. Thank you for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.